This video will tell you how to receive inventory without indent. Click on the Receive Stock tab and check for the entry you need to receive on the list. You can search for the entry by filtering out all the products with status as dispatched. If you cannot find the item you'd like to receive, click on Receive without indent. A pop-up will open. Select supplier and product from the drop-down. Then enter the quantity you have received and date this quantity was received on. Click on the bright blue Receive without indent button. Under My Products, you can search for the same product you received. You will notice that the available quantity would have increased after receiving the product.